What's going on, everyone? New day at the shop here at Cody's. Interesting thing though is I haven't seen him yet. I'm in the shop. Evan's Civic is outside. I don't know what's going on here. But now I hear something, so maybe that is the answer. Let's go see what's going on. I hear something rumbling and bumbling out here. It's probably over there. Oh, that's what I think it is. All started up. What are we doing? What's going on?
Just gonna test fit the wheels. Make sure they fit before we mount tires to the wheels.
So the wheels came in.
Yes.
They came in. I'm excited to see them. So you basically just gonna throw them on, see if they've got like the proper clearance for everything?
Yeah, just make sure they clear everything. Make sure the offset's pretty close. Yeah, then go from there.
Oh.
Have you ridden in this one yet?
Oh,
let's go.
Oh, yes. I've never ridden in an NSX at all, so this is gonna be fun. Let's go for a ride. I was about to say, am I gonna fit?
Yeah.
Oh, this is dark. Oh. Oh. This is awesome. Check all this out.
Take all right turns. We'll go for a little bit longer drive to make sure it's up to temperature before I get into it at all.
So this is what year?
So 95?
95? This thing is so cool.
Still apart, I gotta do final detail and prep on it. So we did a turbo system on this. Also timing belt, water pump. The customer doesn't know if it had ever been done before, so we did it, and I found out it had been done very poorly.
Really?
There was gaskets and shit inside the engine, so yep. So it was all redone properly, so it's good to go.
This is so cool. So, oh, go ahead.
I made like 439 wheel or something. So
wow.
And a little over 400 horsepower. It does pretty well.
Oh,
so,
I bet this thing rips.
Yeah, it's pretty quick. So
This is so cool. I've never been in one like this. I mean, as you can tell, I don't have much room, but it's not bad. I mean, I'm 6'2", and these are my knees compared to the dash. So there's a little bit of room, but it drives really smooth. I was gonna say, this feels pretty good to me.
Did the custom wheels. Did a set of KW Variant 3 coilovers. What else do we do? And Brembo big brake all around. So they're not I forgot how big they are. 330 millimeter, I think. So they're pretty big.
And of course, oh, listen to that. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I know he's just like, yeah, it's another day at work, but I'm flipping out over here.
Well, I've driven them at 1,000 horsepower. So.
I know, you've taken all the excitement away.
I've got some older videos, like 2006, 2007, with my old NSX. Back in the if you want to scroll through the channel. So I've got the power steering computer. The cars are getting on 30 years old, so all the older electronics are starting to fail. I shipped the power steering computer out to get it repaired. I mean, they drive fine without power steering, but definitely easier with. So as soon as you get that back, as soon as you get the tires mounted, quick little detail, the car will go back to the customer.
Well, I hope he'll be a happy one because I'm happy for him.
Oh yeah, you should be.
Turbo NSX! Oh my god! This is so crazy! Oh my god! Oh, holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow. You'll see from those Snapchat clips. Holy moly. Finally getting out of the NSX. I'm gonna bleep this out, but what the... That was so cool. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. I mean, I know like this obviously isn't a stock NSX. There's a lot of stuff done to it now, but now I see why people want these things, because that was crazy. And you're just over here like, meh, that's just, you know, basic turbo kit. Just shrugs it, whatever. So yeah, now we're gonna get it up on the lift. We're gonna make sure that the wheels fit, and I think you guys are gonna like the wheel choice. So let's see what it looks like with the car. So it's up on the lift. This is what it looks like underneath.
Basically designing this kit in 2005. And, you know, made a few changes here and there, but nothing crazy. Runs a Garrett turbocharger. Okay. This one's a GTX 3576. It's pretty small. So.
And you said you're running 8 pounds.
No.
That's it.
Just a little bit of stock engine, so they can't take much more than that. They'll break pistons. So.
I mean, I know people have different levels of what they want as far as speed, but as an everyday car, I think that would be an absolute blast.
Yeah, it's fun. It's, yeah, 500 horsepower NSX is perfect. So this is a little bit below. Before I turned mine into a Pikes Peak monster, I ran mine at 500 wheel, and I never blew up, but you know, eventually I would have. But that was perfect. If I go back in time, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't tear that car apart.
So crazy to see everything.
Yeah, so that's how it is. Fit finish. Nothing's modified on the car, just on bolts.
Super crazy. Yeah, I think they'll be happy.
All right, let's see if the wheels fit.
All right, let's go from there.
First, let's spin it.
I like it. Yep, we're going. There it is.
So let's show everybody. Let me get the light.
I was about to say, there's we see some yellow springs, and most people know what those yellow springs are.
So there's KWs, but with these wheels, I wanted to maximize the inner barrel so we could fit 295s on these easily. But if you look up in there, kind of get that angle, you can see how tight that is. Now, it's not going to happen on a stock shock. So
No.
Because I know we have the KWs, I ordered the wheels offset inboard pretty far. So if you go back and shoot this way, you'll see the width difference is substantial compared to stock.
Yeah, so there's... Yeah, big difference.
Almost twice the other. Alright, so let's see if the fit and the front's fit. Well, the front wheel fits too. So, yeah, good. Good work for offsets. I was nervous about it.
I remember you mentioned it before, but I'd say you're doing good. Looks good.
Now they come off and we wait for tires.
We'll do another video going over everything once we've got tires on it, so it'll be fully complete, ready to go. Hopefully,
And the Brembos, we'll put those on.
And the Brembos will be on. So until then, next time, we'll see you later.